So this guy just smacked into my window. I figured he'd be dead, but looks like he was just stunned. He's doing a lot better moving his head and stuff. It's important when you see a stunned bird to snatch him up, hold on to him for a little bit, and when he's ready he'll fly off. Unless he's dead, of course, and not much hope for that. But you won't know until you try. I'll hold on to this guy for a few more minutes. Yeah, but he flies off pretty soon, once he's rested up and gathered himself. We'll take care of you, little guy.